I feel like I wouldn't be doing y'all justice if I didn't actually show you guys what my hair looks like dry. Do y'all see this? This. No. It's popping. Hi guys. So today I'm actually going to be doing a little something different. I have always wanted, I don't know, just to see what my hair would look like a little bit longer. Today I'm actually going to do a review with BetterLength extensions. I actually specialize in creating like extensions for Black women. And this is all that I received. They were nice enough to send this to me. And they said that this one bundle is all that you need. I actually think I'm just gonna try to mix my hair in. I think I'm just gonna go wet my hair really quick, and then I'm actually gonna wash these really quickly too. I'm just gonna use like a cleansing conditioner, just really quick. Use this Uncle Funky's Bye Bye Builds Up. So just because, you know, I just want clean hair and my clean hair. So, and I washed my hair yesterday, so let's see. I just kind of got my hair wet, not for real, like I just in and out. But I washed the hair and there's actually 9 wefts, I believe, and the hair was so soft. So I already know it's not gonna be hard to work with. I'm just kind of trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna use first. Argan Oil Blueberry Bliss by Curls. I also have my little mister that is so cute, so beautiful, designed by Rye. And I actually have Curls leave-in, Blueberry Bliss leave-in in there too. I love them. Like, I'm probably their #1 fan because I'm always promoting their stuff. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm always promoting Curl stuff to people because it just works so well on my hair. So I'm always trying to promote them. I'm just raking it through. I know my part sucks, but this one has 3 clips in it. So I'm just going to go back through one more again. Just make sure. Okay, so my hair is, right now it is much shorter than I feel like it's looking pretty good. Like, no? I don't know why I'm talking like y'all gonna talk back. Also, my hair does need to be cut, so I was probably supposed to cut it before I did this, but it's cool. go ahead and make that executive decision to put a little bit more eco styler in my hair, just because where I'm not trying to deal with Africa and then have Brazil. I want it to look like one nation. So just what I'm about to use. And I'm just gonna do a middle part because I feel like that's what's gonna make the most sense for my hair and the front of my hair. So we really gonna put that eco in there. You see, we really putting it in there. This is what it looks like. I'm loving this because I'm just so much hang time. I love it. I have a discount code, I believe. I will link that down below. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna post that too, my Instagram somewhere, my Instagram name somewhere. And thank you guys. It looks so good. Yeah, and my hair is fully dry, but I have put a lot of product in here, so it's kind of giving the wet look a little bit. But I also picked it out a little, and I'm probably gonna pick it out even more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I helped. Hopefully you guys are, if you guys are thinking about getting some extensions, get them, because it's summertime, and especially for natural girls, like I feel like it's hard. You don't wear protective style, I feel like it's hard, you know, to do something different without dyeing your hair and stuff. Highly recommend. It's something different, you know, maybe you go on a little vacation, you want to do, you know, on the tropics. Here you go, quick and easy. Pop them in, pop them out at night. Like you even do like some ponytails maybe, like I don't know. I love this. Okay, so I had to come back because I feel like I wouldn't be doing the people justice, excuse my son's cocomelon, but I feel like I wouldn't be doing y'all justice if I didn't actually show you guys what my hair looks like dried. Like, do y'all see this? Yeah, but like, look, like I thought before it was popping. Sis, no, it's popping. Yes, my son is right here with the cocoa melon. Thank you for that.